Hello, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Houseplantslove. Ever wondered what are the best and easiest plants to grow in water? Well, buckle up because today we're explain you. In the previous video we was explained when you grow in water, what are their pros and cons, how to propagate, best container type, water change care guide, fertilizer, etc. If you didn't watch video, check it, link in description and I button. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of water gardening as we explore the top 20 best and easiest plants to grow in water. Starting off our list at number 20 is the resilient spider plant. This plant not only purifies the air, but is also easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for beginners. At number 19, we have the Heartleaf Philodendron. Its heart-shaped leaves and large growth size add an elegant touch to your water garden. Coming in at 18 is the versatile Pothos. This low-maintenance plant thrives in both water and soil, making it a classic choice for any indoor garden. Lucky Bamboo takes the 17th spot. Don't let the name fool you. This plant is not actually bamboo but a member of the Dracena family. It's easy to care for and adds an elegant touch to any space with its unique shapes and sizes. At number 16, we have the Chinese Evergreen. This low-maintenance beauty can grow to be several feet tall, making it a stunning addition to your indoor oasis. Coming in at number 15 is the Arrowhead plant. Its distinctive arrow-shaped leaves make it a standout in water-based gardens. Next, we'll introduce some flavorful herbs that are easy to grow in water. From the refreshing mint at number 14. Mint is a popular herb that can be grown in water. It is relatively easy to care for and can be used in a variety of recipes. Aromatic basil at 13. Basil is another popular herb that can be grown in water. It is relatively easy to care for and can be used in a variety of recipes. Savory rosemary at 12. Rosemary is a popular herb that can be grown in water. It is relatively easy to care for and can be used in a variety of recipes. And the versatile parsley at 11. Parsley is a popular herb that can be grown in water. It is relatively easy to care for and can be used in a variety of recipes. These herbs not only enhance your culinary adventures but also add a fresh scent to your home. Moving into the top 10, we have some stunning ornamental plants. The Swiss cheese plant, also known as Monstera deliciosa, takes the 10th spot. It is a popular houseplant with large fenestrated leaves. It can be grown in water, but it will need support to keep it from falling over. Followed by the vibrant Syngonium podophyllum at 9. Syngonium podophyllum, also known as the arrowhead plant, is a popular houseplant with arrow-shaped leaves that come in a variety of colors, including green, yellow, and variegated. It is relatively easy to care for and can tolerate a wide range of conditions. And the eye-catching Tradescantia at 8. Tradescantia, also known as the wandering Jew, is a popular houseplant with long trailing vines and colorful leaves. It is relatively easy to care for and can tolerate a wide range of conditions. Adding more color to our list, the 7th spot goes to the colorful Coleus. Coleus is a popular houseplant with colorful leaves. It is relatively easy to care for, but it needs more sunlight than most other houseplants. Followed by the trailing beauty of sweet potato vine at 6. Sweet potato vines are a popular houseplant with trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. They are relatively easy to care for and can be grown in water or soil. The elegant English ivy at 5. English ivy is a popular houseplant with trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. It is relatively easy to care for and can be grown in water or soil. And the diverse peperomia at 4. Peperomia is a large group of plants that come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some peperomia can be grown in water, while others need to be grown in soil. Finally, rounding out our top 3, we have the delicate string of pearls at number 3, a true stunner with its long trailing vines. Coming in at number 2 are the unique air plants, which can be grown without soil, making them a fascinating addition to any water garden. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the beautiful and easy to care for peace lily. Known for its striking white flowers, this plant is a perfect addition to any water-based garden. So there you have it, the top 20 best and easiest plants to grow in water. Remember, water gardening is not only a fun and rewarding hobby, but also a great way to improve air quality and create a calming environment in your home. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing water-friendly plants and want to dive deeper into the world of indoor gardening, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our green thumb adventures and be the first to know about our upcoming plant-loving content.